here for an appointment today? Welcome to Hayden Optometric. Did you get a chance to fill out all our forms? So you're still at the same address you were last year, and the phone number hasn't changed. Excellent. You can have a seat right up at the top. We'll be right with you.
Good morning, I'm Veronica. I can get you started now. How are you today? Good. So I'm gonna have you take a seat right over here. This is our auto refractor. So first I'm gonna refract your eyes and then I'll get the pressures. So whenever you're ready, chin on the chin rest, forehead against the forehead bar. Perfect, so we're gonna do the other eye. Awesome, and now we're going to do the pressures. Alright, so we're going to have a little puff of air. Just stare straight ahead at that green light. Perfect. And then we're going to go do the other eye as well. Again, stare straight ahead at that green light. Perfect. Alright, so then I'm going to have you turn around. And we're going to do the optomap. So if you want to look at me, I'll explain how you do it. So what you're going to do is, if this is a circle, you're going to tilt your head towards the mirror, look into the machine, you're going to see a blue light. Once you find that blue light, follow it all the way in until your cheek is pressed up against the machine, kind of like you're looking through a peephole. So I'll have you start, whichever eye first. And next, I'll have you follow me into the room. You get the nice big chair.
Good.
All right. So have you had any change in vision since your last exam? Perfect. Any flashes of light, floaters, dry, itchy, watery eyes? Awesome. Any change in your medical history? Perfect. And any concerns for the doctor today? Perfect. All right. So you are all set, and he will be right in with you, okay? Perfect. Pleasure to meet you.
Hi, how are you? I'm Dr. Hayden. This is Sophia. She's going to scribe for me. Nice to meet you. So, I am told that you're having a little trouble seeing up close. Is that correct? So before we get started, I'm going to check your vision and see how you're seeing, and then check your prescription, and then we're going to do a few other tests to make sure that your eyes are healthy. Okay. Great. That looks good. I hope you're comfortable. If you're not, let me know. Can you read those?
SVHCZ.
Still see it?
Yes.
Still see it?
Yes, but it's blurry.
Very good. Can you tell me what those are?
KORDH.
I'm going to take the K, and you're going to see two Ks on two different charts, screens. I want you to tell me which one is clearer.
The left.
And now?
Now the right.
And now?
The left.
And now.
The left.
Perfect. I'm going to come back. Can you tell me what those letters are?
K-O-R-D-H.
Awesome. I'm going to come back up to here and come over to the left eye. Can you see those?
S-B-H-C-Z.
Still see them?
Yes.
Still?
Slightly.
Very good. Can you see those?
Yes.
Go ahead and tell me what those are.
N-V-D-O-K.
Good. You're going to see two Ks again. Which K is clearer?
The left one.
And now?
Now the left.
Excellent.
N-V-D-O-K.
Great. Nice job.
Yeah.
Great. So what I'm going to have you do is put your chin right up on here. Excellent. Excellent. You can sit back. So, this is your whole right retina taken with our Optos retinal imaging system. This is your optic nerve. This is your macula. The macula is where you get the finest vision. There's a lot of information here. We can see way out into the periphery of your retina, as well as I can see with a dilation, if not better. I can look at things like your artery to vein ratio and tell that your blood pressure looks good. And then I can look for anything that would be a cause of concern for retinal holes, tears, or detachments. And the good news is I don't see any. And then we can look through every layer of the retina to ensure that everything looks healthy all the way through. And they do that with color separation. It's really impressive. Any questions there? Let's go look at the other eye. So here, again, your optic nerve, your macula, whole periphery looks good. You have a freckle here and a freckle up here. And they can be kind of tough to see, but with the separation of the color again, we can tell very easily that those are freckles. So, those are both eyes, both looking healthy. Do you have any other questions for me? Perfect. What we're gonna do is come on back out to the front desk. I'm gonna have them check you out. And we had discussed what you may wanna do with glasses, and our optician will be happy to take a look and give you a hand. After you.